Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a little PR haul. So I feel like my PR hauls always turn into like this long thing because I talk for way too long, but I'm going to try and breeze through everything. So let's get into it. Hey, if you're new, my name is Kim. I upload tons of fun content here on my channel, a lot of beauty, shop with me's hauls, affordable budget shopping, Dollar Tree, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and I also get a lot of awesome PR from different beauty brands, and it's a lot of fun. So if you are here and you are new, subscribe, turn on the bell, and let's see what's inside these boxes. So I'm sharing with you guys a new brand. It's something I already opened. It is Benefit, and I'm actually working with them on TikTok, which is really cool. So this is a new brand that's at Walmart. It's apple cider vinegar powered foot care. So this is great. Like, I definitely need help with my feet, especially as we're going into summer. I have cracked calluses. Someone on TikTok told me I had a bunion, which I didn't even know I had. So thank you to that lady. Told me I had a bunion. But anyways, this is the Sweet Dreams Overnight Foot Repair. So this is really nice. I used this the other day. It has turmeric, apple cider vinegar, and it helps if you have like really dry feet like I do. Put this on overnight and put socks on, and it's really nice. Like, after I applied it, I felt like my feet looked really smooth and silky. So I like the results on that. We also have their Scrub-A-Dub Cooling Foot Scrub. This is an exfoliator, and this has apple cider vinegar, menthol, apricot, and walnut shell, which we don't like to use on our face, but I think it's much better for the feet because it's a very like rough surface. So that, and then this is interesting. It's a foot cream and pain relief, but it actually says that you can use this like all over. I walk a lot. Like, I try and walk a lot each day, and a lot of times I'll get pain at like the bottom of my feet because I walk a lot. I know a lot of people also walk like 10K steps a day, so I like to know that I have some form of pain relief and that it's multi-purpose. So definitely check out this brand. Here's what it looks like, Benefit. This next package is Bliss, and I'm trying to figure out how to open this. Oh, here we go. Oh, okay, it's one product. It's so cool. It is a 11.8 AHA, BHA, and PHA. Whoa, that's new. Liquid exfoliant. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. I love these liquid exfoliators. Assuming this is going to be similar to the Paula's Choice that I love, the pharmacy one that was in my empties video. It says it is clean, cruelty-free, and dermatologist tested, and it smooths away dead skin cells, helps clear pores, stimulates surface renewal, plus pores look tighter. Okay, cool. It's $19.99, which I know sounds like more, but skincare like this is always a little bit more on like the higher end side, which I think is fine because stuff like this is like a power packed kind of formula. So I think this is cool. It says PHA is a larger molecule size than AHAs and allows for gentle exfoliation while attracting moisture. And it also has resveratrol, chamomile, and ceramides in it. Okay, cool. I will definitely use this. I'm very curious to see how this one compares to the Paula's Choice one, and you can get this at Target. So if you're looking for something similar to the Paula's Choice but a little bit cheaper, try out the Bliss. So this next product, I don't know who this is from. I feel like it might be, I'm gonna take a guess and think it might be Buxom. Shifted over because the sun was coming in strong. So I was right, it is from Buxom. It is their Dare to be Dolly limited collection. It is, oh my gosh, it's an entire collection devoted to the brand's #1 shade, Dolly. I love when they do this. So let's see. I do really like the shade Dolly. They did this also with White Russian, if you guys remember. Okay, so we have their classic Buxom Lash Mascara. My favorite from them is the Extrovert one, not this one. So there's that. We also have the Dolly Glitz Full On Plumping Lip Polish. Let's see this color. Oh, that is super pretty. It's kind of like a mid-tone pink with like a gold shimmer. Dolly Glitz. That's a fun one. So that, and then we have the Full On Plumping Lip Cream in Dolly Glamour Teeny. Oh wow, this is like a fun bubblegum pink. I don't know if I don't know if that would look good. I have to try that on. And then we have, what is this? Two little palettes, Diva Dolly eyeshadow palette and Darling Dolly. How cute. Okay, so let's see. Oh, that is cute. It's like Very neutral, but fun. I like these shades. They're all shimmers. This one's pretty. Okay. Okay, this one looks a little bit more like cool toned. That's fun. Interesting. Okay, so let's look at like all the prices. So the eyeshadow palettes are $26. The full-on plumping lip cream is $21, and the lip polish is also $21. So that's a cool little collection. I'll probably end up with this collection because it's so small, just doing like a YouTube short and a TikTok on it so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. So there we go. That's the Buxom Dolly collection. How cute. Next up we have a package from Benefit Club Pink. They always come through just like sending such nice packages. So let's see what this one is. New Bright On Concealer, Club Pink exclusive first look. Oh, boing. It's a new boing concealer. This is the Bright On. Okay, so this is so cool. I didn't know this was coming out, but I guess we have a first look. This is in the shades Nectarine and Lychee. Hopefully I'm saying that right. So let's see what this is all about. It says red algae extract and vitamin C to brighten color correcting pigments, lightweight serum like formula, which has been very like in. I'm actually wearing a serum concealer today. Available online February 15th, in store February 18th. Okay, that was like forever ago. What am I doing with my life? This is $24. And then this is just the classic Boing concealer. This shade is too light for me. I have tried this one. Oh, it's the little pencil. That is cute. This is adorable. I can't wait to try this. So fun. So I will definitely have this on my to try list. Thank you, Benefit. Next package is from Replenix. I love this brand. I tell you guys all the time that I really like them, and that also this year, because of having so many awesome Replenix products, I've really been able to get into medical grade skincare, which I feel like my skin has been just absolutely loving. So I'm very grateful to receive this PR. So, oh, it's my favorite. It's the Hydrating Pumping Eye Gel. I used up a whole bottle of this. It was in my empties. I'm so happy to have another bottle of this. It is like, just gives me this like cushy vibe. I love the consistency of this. And you can get their products on all the skin websites, like Skin Store has them. There's another one, I'm forgetting the name, but I will link Replenix for you guys. They're a great medical grade skincare brand. If you've ever tried medical grade before, I highly recommend. Like, I really am not interested in like anymore really getting skincare from like Sephora. Not that I ever really did, but like I just really love these formulas. And this is stuff that's recommended by like estheticians and dermatologists. So this is the this is interesting, glycolic acid 15% body lotion to resurface. So it says it has crystalline glycolic acid to achieve smoother, softer skin and visibly improve uneven skin tone. It protects from free radical damage and provides brighter looking skin. This is cool. I've never used any sort of exfoliator or like glycolic acid lotion on my body. I've only done like glycolic acid things on my face. So I'm very interested to try this. It's also cruelty free and paraben free, which is amazing. Next up, I have a package here from, oh, this is a first time for me, Bondi Sands. Let's see what is in here. I think this might be a new launch from them. Okay, so we have some new launches from Bondi Sands. We have the Thirsty, oh, it's skincare. Okay, so they launched skincare. This is the Thirsty Skin Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Serum. It's so cool. I've actually just started using hyaluronic acid in my skincare routine. I have to find out where you guys can buy these. I'm sure they're online. It says packed with Australian botanicals, high-level active ingredients, created with trusted skin experts. Next up, we have the Daydream Hydrated Whipped Moisturizer. It says, dreaming of bouncy skin, make your dream a reality with our Daydream Whipped Moisturizer. It absorbs into skin and provides 72 hours of hydration. And let's see, it has sunflower oil, desert lime extract, rosehip oil, dermatologist tested. Okay, so let's open this guy. Love that. I really want to see how that is. I'm very curious. I've never tried anything, I don't think, from this brand before. I've seen it, but never tried it. This is the Bondi Babe Purifying Clay Mask. I've gotten so lazy, can I tell you guys, and I have not done a mask in forever. Oh my gosh. It's detoxify skin for a clearer complexion, enriched with blue spirulina, benzoyl clay, matcha, reduces redness, draws out impurities. Okay, I definitely would try this. I need like a good mask night. So cool. Thank you, Bondi Sands. This is awesome. Oh, this is their new skincare range. I will try and find this online for you guys. Next up is a package from my friend's company. She owns her own company. She owns a brand called Bali Lash, and she's my friend Sable. She's also an influencer on Instagram. She's so sweet. So this is a lash glue liner pen. So there's clear and then there's black, and it's literally a game changer. You put it on your eye and you can do a wing liner, and then you literally put the lash on and it attaches right onto the liner. You don't need to use a lash glue. It's crazy. So this is her brand, and it's also so cute. She like stays in Bali, so she was inspired, I believe, by Bali, which is really cool. So that's her brand. And then she also sent me, oh my gosh, I didn't even know, but she has lashes, you guys, and they're so pretty. At this packaging, they're premium faux mink. This is gorgeous. I will also link these for you guys. Up to 25 wears, cruelty-free, handmade, plastic-free. So this is Como. These are beautiful. You can tell they're like very nice quality. Millie, these are really soft. These are also beautiful. So thank you so much, Sable. I can't wait to try these. I'm actually going to make like a little video for her so she can use it for like advertising or whatever. Next up, we have 2 packages left. We also have Dr. Zenovia. You guys know how much I love Dr. Z. I go through so many of their products. They're really good. Okay, so we have, what do we have today? We have her Baka Shield Hydrating Cleanser. Definitely excited to try this. I don't know if I've tried this one before. So her products are available at Sephora, and they are made specifically for hormonal acne. And then we also have the Retinol Recovery Eye Cream. I don't know, I think I have this one, but I don't know if I've like added into my eye cream rotation. So there we go, you guys. I love her brand. It is cruelty-free, artificial color-free, no sodium lauryl sulfates, no mineral oil, no parabens, phthalates. So really, really amazing brand that I've used so much. Last chance for love. Okay, so this last package, I did not know who it was from, so I had to open it first. It was from like a PR company who sent me this. But this is actually the brand Curel. Have you guys heard of that one? I mean, it's pretty like well known, I would say. So this is new from Curel. It's their makeup cleansing oil. I tell you guys, I get so much skincare and PR. So this says it gently melts away makeup and mascara without heavy rubbing, with protecting ceramides from moisture. So this should be really fun. I love cleansing oils. It's like a huge part of my skincare routine. I did not even know this, but it says it is J Beauty, which is like K Beauty except Japanese skincare. So awesome. And then this is their Moisture Facial Lotion Enrich, which also must be new as well. So it's fragrance-free, colorant-free, and alcohol-free, which makes me a happy gal. But it does have parabens. That stinks. I try not to use any face creams with parabens in them. So womp womp, that really stinks. This one doesn't, but the face lotion does. Then we have the Curel Intensive Moisture Care Facial Cream. This also has parabens in it. Dang it. Okay, so that is the facial moisture cream from Curel. This is like a drugstore brand. And then this is the Moisture Repair Eye Cream, which is rich in ceramides, and it says it's concentrated to deeply hydrate. So let's open this up. For really nice packaging. Very impressed by that. So pretty. I didn't expect it to look so good. And that looks really nice. I will definitely try this. I don't think this one has parabens in it. Dry, sensitive skin lacks ceramides. It's rich and concentrated, makes fine lines less noticeable. Extract. Nope, this one doesn't have parabens. So I can use this one, and I will also use the cleansing oil. So thank you so much, Curel. I've never tried, I don't think, anything from Curel before. So this is really fun. And I'm definitely gonna try this one, and then the other two I'll just put in a giveaway, the ones with parabens. But I'm excited for these two. Thank you so much. So that is it, you guys, for my little PR unboxing. I hope you enjoyed today's, and I'm sure I'll have another one coming very soon. And I am so grateful to the brands who support me and send me all these amazing products to try out and review. Thank you to you guys for your support. I love you so much. I hope you like this. If you did, give it a thumbs up if you want to see more unboxings like this. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!